I recently bought this Tapo C420 to add to my Tapo doorbells hub. Yes, if you have watched my previous Tapo doorbell installation video, you'll be happy to know that we can buy additional cameras to connect to the same one single hub. In other words, both cameras' footage can be recorded into the same one SD card inside this hub. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. This C420 is a fairly old model, but it's still loaded with a lot of good features, such as a high-resolution camera, enhanced color night vision, and object detection. This means we get great value if we can get this at a discount price. Now this is the part that is a little bit misleading. It says local micro SD card storage of up to 512 gigabytes. But there is no SD card slot on this camera. We have to install the micro SD card on the hub instead. Something important to take note of is that this C420 camera needs the Tapo hub to work, and it doesn't come with the Tapo hub. My Tapo H200 hub comes with my Tapo doorbell, so I can just buy this C420 camera and add it to the hub. If you have bought this C420 and realized you don't have the hub, the good news is you can buy it separately. It's the Tapo H200 hub if you want to search for it, and you can use my affiliate link here or in the description down below to get it. We can also get this C420 with the hub. Search for C420 S1 or C420 S2. The S2 means it comes with one hub and two cameras, whereas the S1 means one hub and one camera. There is also a newer, more expensive model, the C425, that comes with a magnetic base mount. I don't like that because any thief or intruders can just use a stick or something to yank the camera off the magnetic mount. Apart from the difference in mounting, most of the features are the same with the C420 camera. That's why I went with the C420 instead. Furthermore, the C420 has two mounting point options. Okay, let's see what's in the box, and then I'll share some mounting issues I encountered and how I overcome them. So in the box, we get the quick start guide, which I'll scan and show you later, the very useful mounting screw stencils, technical support contact card, and this is the USB wall charger. In this bag, we have the micro USB charging cable and the mounting screws. Yes, unfortunately, this is still micro USB, not the more common USB-C. But the good thing is, Tapo claims this camera battery should last us 6 months, so we only need to charge it every half a year. And then we have the wall mounting screws, which I can't use because I'm mounting this camera on my ceiling, the eaves of my roof. I'll show you what I've used to mount it to my ceiling later. Up next, this is the battery cell itself. I'm putting this to charge in the meantime. So we plug in the micro USB cable directly into the battery itself to charge. And see the charging indicator lighting up? That means it's charging. And this is the mount I like a lot. I'll tell you why when I'm mounting the camera later. And finally, there is the camera itself. It's very secure and well packed. Tearing off the plastic now, and let's see what we've got. I think this is the camera, the infrared proximity motion sensor, LED lights, microphone, indicator light, but I'm not sure what this last dot is. My guess would be that's the ambient sensor to detect if it is day or night. At the bottom, we have the speaker and the first mounting hole. And at the back, this is the second mounting hole. And this bottom opening is for us to plug in a Tapo solar panel to charge the battery using the micro USB connection. To open the back cover, we twist the case, and this orange seal is what makes the camera IP65 weatherproof. So this is the reset button, and this is how we insert the battery. There is a small plastic latch that gently locks the battery in place. Find the battery connectors and insert them towards the pin. And then close the cover, aligning the arrow towards the line, twist and close. Make sure you hear the snap so we know the cover is closed properly. Okay, let's connect it to the Tapo app. Instead of connecting it at the home page of the app, we need to click into the Tapo hub itself. Remember, this C420 only works with the hub. After that, we click on Connected Devices. As expected, I already have the doorbell connected. So we press the plus button and then select Set up a new device, and then pick C420. I've already inserted the battery, so I'm going to press Next. Okay, the LED light is already blinking red and green, so I'm going to press Next. And it has found the C420 camera. So I'm going to select it. Now the camera and the hub are attempting to connect themselves. And after a while, we hear this when it's connected.
Device added successfully.
After that, we go through a series of steps to name our camera, assign the camera to a location in the house, choose an icon, select a working mode. Between high performance and power saving, I choose balanced. Tapo Cloud Service? No thanks. And now I'm attempting to connect to our Wi-Fi and checking the Wi-Fi strength. After that, it's the mounting installation guide. It's pretty nice of the app to have instructions to guide us through how to install and mount the camera. There are a few more instructions, which is the same as the Quick Start Guide. I've scanned the Quick Start Guide for you here, so you can pause the video and read if you like. After that, the camera is ready to go. If you find the video useful so far, please click the like button now so this video can reach and be useful to many more people. Thanks. And to watch how I mount this camera and what issue I encountered when mounting the camera, click on this video on the left. And in this video on the right, I'll show this C420 camera features on the Tapo app. So I'll see you over there.